Hello everyone, let's do some math. We're going to start our day off with our thinking cap. So hopefully you have your thinking cap handy. If not, you can always pause, put that on because we're going to be doing some heavy duty thinking today with our math, all right? So first order of business, just to get it out of the way, I'm going to request my cubes for the day, all right? So let's see. Let's just see if our deal with Bigsby works out. Hopefully, he brings them soon so I can get started. Bigsby, you got him. Yes, I do. Do you have some more? Yes, I'll go over here. Okay, and here he comes right back. Thank you very much, buddy. Remember at the end, come on back for him, okay? I will. High five. I won. All right, and see you later. All right. Our buddy Bigsby came through, brought us our cubes. We're going to need them today. So what I'm going to do is do a little bit of a demonstration for you because we are going to figure out how to make numbers up to 20. All right, so that means making numbers all the way to 20. So let's start off, why not, with 10, right? Ways to make 10. There's a lot of different ways to make 10. This is 10, right? I have right now, how many orange cubes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 orange cubes. The other cubes I'm using are 11. So if I have 10 orange cubes, how many yellow cubes do I have here? That's not a trick. How many do you see? None. That's one way to make a 10, right? 10 plus 0. 10 orange plus 0 yellow. But that's kind of a given almost, right? That's a given. I want to go a little bit deeper. Watch this. If I have 10, and let's take away, let's say 1, 2, 3. All right. So I took away 3 orange. So now I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I only have 7, but I want to make 10. So because I took 3 of these orange away, I'm going to replace it with 3 yellow. So now I have the same amount, but now I have 2 different colors. So now I have 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 makes 10. See how we did that? That's another way to make a 10. A couple different ways, right? Let's do a different way. Let me take my cubes. I'll close my eyes. See, I'm not cheating, and I'll just snap a couple off. Okay, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. That means I have to replace it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to keep the same amount, right? Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so let's do this. Get my whiteboard. What we just did was make a 10 a couple different ways. This last one we did was 5 plus 5 equals 10. Right? The first one we did was 10 plus 0 equals 10. The other one was 3 plus 7 equals 10. Now, there's a lot of other ways to make a 10. In fact, we can do another one and write it down. These are all different ways to make a 10. You're going to be asked to make different numbers, but you can do them this same exact way, right? In fact, we'll even do one of those. So let's say I have these taken away. 1, 2, 3, 4 taken away, right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yellow cubes. Let's write that down. 6 plus 6 plus what? 6 plus what will equal 10? Well, if it's a little bit tough to do that exchange 4 for 4 and all that, well, I can just have my 6 here, and I'll just add these cubes until I make 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I made 10, right? So I'm going to stop right there. And I have 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And there we go. There we have it. 6 plus 4 equals 10. All right, what if we had a different number though? Because you will be making numbers that aren't 10, right? You're going to be given some other numbers that you're going to deal with. So let's practice that. Let me get all my cubes together. Every time I break apart my cubes, when I finish that problem, I put them back together so I keep them close so I don't drop one or lose one. So that might be a little bit of advice for you. So what if we had to make, I don't know, what if we had to make 13, let's say 13. Okay, well, the first way that I would do it, first way that I would make 13, how many do we have here? We know that's 10, right? Let's just count on from there. 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 10 plus 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 3. Let's put that down here. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Okay, what about another way to make 13? It's another way that we can make 13. All right, let's take our cubes again. All right, and I'm just going to take a couple off of here. Now I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 right here. So we'll put our first number down. 7. 7 plus what? 7 plus, and I'm just going to take these cubes, add them onto here until I reach 13. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. We made it. Okay, now let's go back and look. So we have 7 orange. How many yellow now? 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. And so on like that, right? Now we're gonna get started with this today. We're gonna do a little bit more tomorrow. This is not the easiest thing to do. Okay, so we're gonna do our absolute best with it. What I want you guys to do is on page 214. Look at that. You're going to make 13 these ways, as many ways as you can, right? And 10 as many ways as you can come up with, okay? All right, do your very best with it. We're also, why not practice on 215 and do a couple other numbers? 17, 14, 16, and 18. Make them as many ways as you can. Use those cubes, okay? Put them together. Count them up, all right? Do your very best. Have fun with it. Please don't get discouraged. It's our first day doing this. We'll see you very soon.